Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make feuilleté or custard, which is puff pastry filled with custard, creamy custard filling, and I'm using store-bought puff pastry sheets today. Let's go with the ingredient. We're gonna start making the filling, but before I go ahead showing you the ingredient, I want to tell you that it's actually a good news. If you didn't know, yes, I do have another channel called Cuisine Laila, and it's all in Creole language. So if you want to join me over there, just go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also share it with your friends and family. To make the custard filling, we need whole milk. We need an egg, sugar, cornstarch, and vanilla flavor custard powder, and also vanilla extract. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add everything to this milk. As the milk is cold, I just forgot my whisk. I just went to get my whisk, my hand whisk, and as the milk is cold, you're gonna mix everything as you don't see until you don't see any lumps. The sugar and the vanilla will add separately when we are going to cook it. Now crack the egg and just beat the egg a little bit before you add into the custard. Okay, add the egg, and now we're gonna give this a mix as well. Just beat it nicely, and then we are going to the stove and start cooking the custard. In a saucepan, non-stick, add this custard mixture, and now we're gonna cook this over low heat. Add sugar. You can see the milk started to boil, and you can also feel heavy because the mixture is starting to get thick now. Add vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, eyeballing. And now we're gonna keep mixing constantly until the mixture gets thickened. This is a thickness level. This has to stay cool before we start making the feuilleté. And as you're gonna keep this to let it cool, you're gonna see the mixture gonna get a little bit more thicker. So turn the heat off and then remove this mixture from the heat. Preheat your oven 425 degree Fahrenheit, and now we are going to prepare the feuilleté. Add some flour to your puff pastry. I'm using store-bought, which is quick and easy. Okay, lots of flour, and now we're gonna roll this. You can keep adding dry flour on top if you feel it's sticky. And this square is 14 by 10 inches, and now I'm gonna go cut this into half first, and then I'm gonna do like 4 and 4, so we are going to get 8. So let's do the middle first, so we can try to make it equal sizes. Okay, so now let me show you the custard, which is thick. Just take a spoon and mix everything, and this is what you want it to be thick, like that. Why? Because if you leave this custard a little bit liquidy or a little bit more like less thicker than what you have here, when you fold your puff pastry, your feuilleté, it's gonna leak. It will leak. So I have this situation already, so I don't want to do that again. Okay, now you're gonna take the other half and you're gonna fold it. Okay, just like that. You're still gonna have lots of custard in each of the feuilleté of the puff pastry. And then arrange a parchment paper on your baking tray, and then we're gonna leave like 1 inches leave them 1 inch separated from each other, because they are going to be very puffy as they bake. So easy. And now what I got here is 1 egg beat with just a little bit of water. You can add milk if you don't want to add water. And this is our egg wash. And now we're gonna brush this feuilleté. If you guys want, you can put like a little bit cut, just 2 cut on each, or you just leave it as is. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Okay, now this is going to go in my preheated oven, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake them until they are nice and golden brown and so puffy, and then I'll show you how it looks like. My puff pastry, my feuilleté, custard feuilleté is ready, and it was in the oven for 20 minutes, and it is nice and golden brown. It is very hot and very puffy. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make feuilleté, which is puff pastry,